you have your Zoom window open. You open up a new browser window, and it could be on your computer that you're using, or it could be on a different computer, a laptop, a phone. You can click the link that the presenter gives you. Now, if the presenter tells you the room name, you go to this box here, type in the room name, and you say link, enter the room. You're not the presenter, so leave that box unchecked. You enter the room, and there you can see it. Now I'm on a 3D interlaced monitor, so this is what I see. Now you can change this by clicking in the middle of the screen, and it pops up with this window, and you can change it. And you can say you want a parallel view. Now once you've selected parallel view, click somewhere else on the window, and there you have parallel view. So now when the speaker advances the slideshow, you see it in parallel view. Say you don't like parallel view, say you like anaglyph. You click the middle to get the menu, then you go here and you go down to where it says anaglyph. You pick the anaglyph that you like, and there you've got anaglyph. Now you see it's all black. You have to click over here on the screen, and then you get the view in anaglyph. And again, you will see the slideshow now in anaglyph. And that is how you get rooms to work on your computer. If there's any questions, let me know.